This 2026 CrossRoads Redwood 371RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 40 feet 8 inches in length and features a Tucson interior, sleeps 4, Skylight, leveling jacks, oven, water heater, microwave, auxiliary battery, awning, TV, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 CrossRoads Redwood 371RL is 15,540 pounds. This 2026 CrossRoads Redwood 371RL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.